Lamar Lee, MAXLIFE Investment Group. You're here watching MAXLIFE IGTV. 6 years ago, I started buying real estate. Not the kind of real estate that you live in. I'm talking about income producing real estate. Real estate that puts money in your pocket every month. And so 6 years ago, I started stashing cash, saving it, hoarding it, stockpiling it, and buying as many properties as I could. I do deal after deal, buying a property, fixing it up, and leasing it to tenants. I buy a property, fix it up, lease it to tenants. And I did it over and over and over until I had enough passive income to walk away from my day job. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Lamar Lee. My background is in education. I was a special education teacher for Chicago Public Schools prior to building $1 million real estate portfolio that pays me over 6 figures a year. A lot of people ask me, Lamar, why did you get started in real estate? Of all the things that you could do, of all the things that you could put your money into, why did you put it in real estate? The number one reason why I started buying real estate is cash flow. Money coming in every month that I don't gotta go to work for. I need money coming in every month that I don't gotta go to work for. Why? Because I got bills that come every month. I don't know about you, but my bills come monthly. So I need cash flow from an asset that doesn't depend on my efforts. The rich invest for cash flow. Amateurs invest for capital gain. We're looking to deploy money, send money out, put it into an investment that's gonna produce money every month. Why do I need cash flow? Because it's the least tax. Passive income is the least tax income you can possibly have. You got earned income, trading time for money, highest tax. Portfolio income, when you buy something low and you sell it high, like a stock or a property or whatever the case may be. Second most taxed income. And then you got passive income, money that comes in every month from assets, income producing assets like real estate. That's the least tax. Second reason to invest in real estate is leverage. What makes the wealthy wealthy, their secret, the hack to it, is learning how to use debt. There's this thing called good debt and there's a thing called bad debt. Wealthy people are in a rush to get into good debt. Good debt is debt that you use to purchase something, to buy something, to invest in something that puts money in your pocket, at least monthly. For example, when I buy a piece of property, I put a little bit of cash in. The rest of it is credit, other people's money. That property will produce enough cash flow to not only pay the debt, but also pay me. How many times can I do that? It's a process that you can repeat over and over and over. If I go to Chase or Bank of America and I ask them to give me a loan to buy a piece of real estate that produces income monthly, they're gonna look at my cash, they're gonna look at my cash flow, they're gonna look at my credit, and they're gonna look at the collateral, which is the property, and if everything checks out, I'm in business, baby. They're gonna loan me that money. But if I go to that same institution, if I go to Bank of America and say, will you loan me money to buy Bank of America stock? You know what they're gonna say? Absolutely not. You know why? Because there's no cash flow in Bank of America stock. Lenders, banks, investors wanna invest in things that produce cash flow. You get leverage to invest in things that produce cash flow. The most important word in business finance is cash flow. Rich people invest for cash flow.